Hello, my name is Gulsadat. I am from Empirica International Research and Consultancy Institute. Welcome to the video where I would like to tell and show you about a very useful tool in Excel for analyzing large amounts of data. This tool is Pivot Table. The Pivot Table function is a powerful and flexible Excel analysis tool which will help you to structure and emphasize different aspects of data. You can analyze data from several different perspectives with a minimum of efforts. In this video, I will show you how to create pivot table in Excel sheet with large amounts of data. As you see, this Excel document has a lot of information and data which was collected during one of the research projects. To create the pivot table, we should go to the Insert tab. On the corner, you will see a button called Pivot Table. The dialog window will appear where we should range the table which we'd like to use for our pivot table. Also, we should indicate where our pivot table should be existed in the separate sheet or on the existing document. We will create in a separate sheet. Click OK. And you will see the blank of pivot table. On the right corner, you will see the tasks panel with list of fields. On the bottom, you will see dialog boxes, row, columns, value. And when you will decide what would you like to see in your pivot table, you should drag and put in the bottom dialog boxes. For example, I would like to see how many applications were complete in their regions. Thus, I would like to drag the name of regions in the row. On the corner, on the left, you will see the list of regions. And I would like to see the value or the quantity of completed applications. See the quantity of completed applications for each region. And also I would like to see how many men and women completed applications. I would like to see in separate columns. See female and male quantities of applications. Also, I'd like to see the ethnicity. Ethnicity, I should find it. And also, I'd like to see in separate columns. This is the total quantity of applications and also separately female, male, and also ethnicity. This was a short video about pivot table, just to give you a quick idea about this very useful tool. Hope this video was useful for you and you will use this tool for analyzing your data. Thank you a lot.